family, welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. All right, so first we have the Pisen 120W wall charger. You got to look at what's on this side. I literally stayed downtown Chicago last night and I used this. Man, this is a game changer. If you are traveling, if you are a content creator, or if you're a person that just has a lot of devices, you got 2 cell phones, you got an iPad, you got a laptop, this charger is going to be for you, especially with it having the 120 watt capability. There's not a lot of mobile devices that need 120 watts, but if you're like me, you own a MacBook, you own a laptop, this is going to be a game changer. MacBook Pros do allow fast charging from 0 to 50% within like a half hour using a computer. And also, you're going to get the protection that you need with this charger. It's not going to overheat. It's not going to short a device or anything. And I just love how simple it is. You're able to just pull it open, close it, carry it in a book bag. You can actually slip this into a pocket. If you are one of those people who go into the office and you like to plug in a lot of your devices, you're going to be able to plug your phone. You're going to be able to plug anything that you can charge into this. So it comes with 2 USBs and USB-A. A portable wall charger. Thank you so much for watching.